but I've got a...
Walking out the door. He goes, "Where are you going?" I said, "Well, I'm going to..."
Tearful Kelly Clarkson tears into Cruelty of Arizona abortion ban. Kelly Clarkson tearfully tore into Arizona's recent abortion ruling, denouncing its cruelty during a discussion with Hillary Clinton. In an episode of her Eponymous talk show on Monday the 15th of April, the singer discussed the U.S. state's ruling issued last week in which an 1864 law that made performing abortion a felony was upheld.
Arizona
bring us in to their plays, and
it's going to have a devastating effect.
Yeah, because I mean, it's like,
yeah,
hello.
Yeah. But you know,
the legislation includes an exception for, when it is necessary, to save a pregnant person's life. Becoming emotional, Ms. Clarkson said, "I have been pregnant twice, hospitalized both times. To make someone go through that, you don't realize how hard it is. There's a kind of cruelty to it," Ms. Clinton replied. A former aide to Melania Trump dished Sunday on Donald Trump's mindset when it comes to his wife. "He fears her, I would say," Stephanie Grisham told MSNBC's Alex Witt.
That have an extreme abortion.
We had, we had curfews. We had to be in.
And I refuse to allow Arizona to
bring us in.
Grisham's assessment came ahead of Monday's start of Trump's criminal hush money trial. The former president allegedly paid, during the 2016 election, porn actor Stormy Daniels and Playboy playmate Karen McDougal to keep quiet about alleged sexual encounters. When the news of the allegations broke, Grisham recalled how, internally, people in the West Wing were nervous of what us in the East Wing would be doing. Grisham served as chief of staff and press secretary to Melania Trump. She later became the Trump White House press secretary and then communications director.
64. Before Arizona was...
I know,
Oh,
we
my
just
gosh.
had Chelsea here.
She told me.
State that have an extreme abortion.
We had, we had curfews.
I recall one time the former president calling me from Air Force One to basically see how angry she was and to see if we were putting any statements out because we never checked with the West Wing if we were going to say anything. So he definitely was worried, she explained. The West Wing was constantly checking in with me. Grisham never shared with them, Melania Trump's, thoughts on it because that was kind of personal, private conversations between the two of us, she added.
By the Arizona Supreme Court today. Not politicians in Washington.
When I said we are not going to the State of the Union or she will just meet him on Air Force One, I stopped there and they all knew in the West Wing not to push further or ask her to do any more than that. That's what we can report. Thank you for watching this news. Don't forget to help this news office channel by liking, comments, sharing and subscribing. We thank you for your support.
Yeah, because I mean, it's like,
Yeah.
hello.
Yeah. But
Today, it mentioned the Dobbs